Welcome to the Applied Biosystems Taq Talk video series, where we break down real-time PCR to make it easier for you. Taq team, back again. Today we're talking master mixes, so let's begin. Choosing the right master mix is an important step when performing a real-time PCR experiment, because you want to make sure it's completely optimized for success. Which begs the question, what is a qPCR master mix anyway? A real-time PCR master mix is a concentrated, pre-mixed solution of reagents that are required for qPCR. It includes the polymerase, salts, magnesium, dNTPs, and an optimized reaction buffer. Some master mixes also include a passive reference, such as ROX dye, to assist with troubleshooting and increase data precision. Once you have selected the best master mix for your experiment, you simply add your template, primers, and probes, if applicable, to the reaction well and start the run. The Applied Biosystems portfolio includes master mixes for two different real-time PCR detection chemistries, SYBR Green dye and TaqMan probes. SYBR Green master mixes include SYBR Green fluorescent dye, which is used to detect target amplification via nonspecific binding to double-stranded DNA. Detection with SYBR Green is based on two hybridization events involving the forward and reverse primers. TaqMan chemistry is used to monitor three hybridization events during a PCR reaction. Two events involve the primers, and the other involves the probe. As the primer extends, the 5' nuclease activity of Taq DNA polymerase cleaves the probe, which causes the reporter dye to fluoresce. If you're using a TaqMan master mix, you must add the fluorescent probe to the reaction mix along with the primers and template. So, how do you choose the right master mix for your experiment? Some master mix formulations are optimized for specific uses. So the first things to consider are the application you're working with and the goal of your experiment. Let's focus on gene expression. While both technologies can be used for gene expression analysis, sometimes one chemistry is better suited for an experiment than the other. While TaqMan chemistry offers the advantage of millions of pre-designed assays and better specificity, SYBR Green dye is a cost-effective and flexible option for species that aren't predefined. Let's take a look at what else you have to consider when choosing your master mix. Say you decide you need high specificity and the convenience of a pre-designed assay for a gene expression experiment. Then it's time for TaqMan chemistry. But which master mix should you choose? Our online master mix selection tool can help. You'll just need to be ready to answer a few additional questions. For example, which format are you going to use? One-step or two-step RT-PCR? Are you going to run in fast or standard mode? Once you've selected the appropriate options for your experiment, the recommended master mix will appear in the online selection tool. Have more than one experiment? The same selection tool can help you find a master mix that's recommended for each situation. Whether you are performing different types of analysis or just working with different sample types and sizes, we'll help you find the right master mix. Good talk. Thanks for watching. Check out more Applied Biosystems Taq Talk videos to learn more Taq tips and techniques on our website at thermofisher.com/taqtalk.